wanted to show you this unboxing, this thing I got from Cessna. Look at this fancy box. Alright. Let's see if I can do this, hold the camera. Alright, inside, a little USB stick that looks like a Cessna, very fancy. In this case, very fancy. This comes out of the box, opens up, nice little folder, and look at all these little pictures of the plane. How nice. And me accepting the keys to the new plane. Very nice, as if it's my plane, but it's not. But anyways, I don't know what you do with this thing. You just set it up like this and put it on your entertainment center. Anyways, thanks for watching.